Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my Boxycharm. Well, it's not mine, it's my mom. This is the Boxycharm. It is the base box, and we are going to open it and see what is inside. Ooh, okay, there we go. So let's see what she got. So this is the theme. It's Boxycharm, the Oasis, and she got variation 25. I don't know her weight. I don't know her dimensions because, like I said, this is my mom. I know it's probably late in the month, but she just got it today, which is crazy. But I want to see what she got. She loaned me the box. So the first thing I see in here is a QMS Medic Cosmetics Lip Liner Corrector Lip Serum. And this is what that looks like. And my daughter's in here. How do you do this? Oh, that is so cool. Okay, I'm not gonna swatch or anything because, like I said, it's not mine. And then she got this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It's a loose highlight in the shade Concentrated. Can you close the door? Close the door. This is what that is. I'll be there in a minute, okay? Cierra la puerta. Once I'm done here, okay? And then the next thing she also got, Pearlie's Perfect Glow BB Cream. She got in the shade light medium. Mama, go, please. The one I got was not my shade, so I'm probably gonna give it to her. And the next thing is KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, which is from First Aid Beauty. This is for directions. Okay. Apply onto wet skin and gently massage over problem areas. Rinse and apply moisturizer. Use once or twice a week as tolerant, not for facial use. Use only as directed. Avoid contact with eyes if contact occurs. Rinse well with water. If irritation occurs, stop use. Okay, I'm pretty sure she can use that. And then the last product in here is also the Kylie Skin, which I have. This is what it looks like. I already started to use it on my face, and it is amazing. I love it, and I'm so happy she also got it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Weren't you supposed to get a palette or something? I thought, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys were supposed to get a palette, or was that a variant, or I don't know. But she was telling me, she's like, wasn't I supposed to get a palette? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. Should I contact Boxycharm? Should I let them know that my mom didn't get a palette? Or was that it? I don't know. I didn't even tell you guys the prices, did I? I will just leave them down somewhere here, the prices. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like she should have gone. I'm going to keep on looking on videos. I'm going to look for videos to see if everybody else got a palette. Or it was just her, she didn't get a palette. I don't know. But that's all for her. That's all her for box. Let me know down in the comments if you guys got the same variation. Did you get a palette? My mom didn't get a palette. I don't get base because I get Luxe and Premium. And then when it's Luxe, you don't get base. So every time I don't get base, I will try to see if I can do my mom's. But yes, let me know down in the comments below if you guys got a palette, if you guys got this variation. This variation, like I said, it is variation 25. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys like this month. She was kind of like, she didn't really like it, but she was like, where's my palette? So let me know in the comments below, should I contact Boxycharm, or is it just, was palette something that either you got Kylie or a palette? I don't know. I'm not really, like, I don't really know spoilers or anything. I just, you know, whatever comes in, comes in. Sometimes I do look at spoilers, sometimes I don't. But this for base box, I didn't see anything since I was getting Lux. I was more into Lux spoilers. But let me know down in the comments below. And I hope you guys like this video. It's a short video, I know, I'm sorry. But yes, please don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. Tell me what you guys want to see next. If you guys like me doing these kind of videos. My baby's not here. He is out with my mom. Yes, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!